I am using the VT-PDRN Capsule Cream 100. This moisturizer is helpful for dry, dull skin. Here's what I think. The VT-PDRN Capsule Cream 100 is a nourishing, fragrance-free moisturizer that improves skin elasticity, provides deep hydration, and supports a healthy-looking complexion. It contains 100,000 parts per million of plant-based PDRN derived from Korean wild ginseng, making it suitable for vegans. It contains PDRN, polydeoxyribonucleotide, supports skin regeneration and elasticity without animal-derived ingredients. It is made from plant-based ingredients extracted from wild ginseng grown in the Jirisan Mountains. With 10 types of hyaluronic acid, this cream provides deep, long-lasting moisture and strengthens the skin barrier. While the 5-ceramide complex nourishes and strengthens the skin barrier, reducing moisture loss and protecting against environmental stressors. The blue Azulene capsules help repair skin, improve skin condition, and calm irritation. This cream deep hydration that leaves skin soft, smooth, and moisturized improved elasticity, making skin firmer and reducing fine lines. Also strengthens skin barrier to reduce dryness and damage, soothing effect that helps calm irritated skin. The cream has a light, watery gel texture that absorbs quickly and does not leave a greasy feeling. The blue capsules add a cooling effect that soothes the skin. This cream is suitable for dry, dull, or tired skin that shows early signs of aging. It is also a good option for sensitive skin because it is fragrance-free and hypoallergenic.